Ever found yourself drowning in camera options as a beginner in 2024? Curious about which camera is just right for you and makes getting into photography a piece of cake? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we are taking on the task of picking the best cameras for beginners. Stay with us and we will uncover the top choices and drop some must-know tips to make these cameras your photography buddy. Ready to turn your photo dreams into captivating shots? Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you stick around till the end for the full scoop. The first step is choosing the right camera. Mirrorless versus DSLR. If you are just starting out in photography, you've got two main types of cameras to check out: mirrorless and DSLR. Now, mirrorless cameras are pretty nifty because they are smaller and still deliver top-notch image quality. On the other hand, DSLRs are the classic choice, giving you the familiar feel and a comfortable shooting experience. When you are picking between them, think about stuff like how big and heavy you want your camera to be and what feels right for you. It is all about your personal preference, so take a moment to weigh the pros and cons of each type. Resolution and sensor size. It is smart to go for one with solid resolution. That is the number of megapixels and basically means more detail in your photos. But here is the deal. Don't get too hung up on resolution alone. The size of the sensor in the camera is another big player in how your pictures turn out. Bigger sensors are like magic in low-light situations, making your photos look sharp even when the lighting isn't perfect. Plus, they are chumps at creating a nice, blurry background when you want your subject to really pop. So it's like a two-in-one deal: resolution and sensor size, for getting those great, detailed shots. Autofocus System. Keep an eye out for a camera with a snazzy autofocus system. Trust me, it is worth it, especially if you are into snapping shots of things that don't stay still for too long. A top-notch autofocus system means your camera can quickly lock onto your subject and make sure it is sharp and clear in the picture. So whether it is a friend doing a cool trick on a skateboard or your pet showing off some unexpected dance moves, having a camera with fast and accurate autofocus ensures you catch those great moments without any blur or fuzziness getting in the way. Ease of use. A smart move to go for a camera that doesn't make you feel like you are solving a puzzle every time you want to take a picture. What you need is a user-friendly camera, one that is a breeze to use. Look for cameras that come with menus that just make sense, like they speak your language. Touchscreens are a cool bonus because they are like using your phone. Tap, swipe, and you are good to go. Controls that you can navigate without feeling lost. Those are the real MVPs for beginners. They make your learning journey way smoother, so you can focus on getting those fantastic shots instead of wrestling with your camera settings. Video capabilities. Here is the scoop for all your newbies diving into the world of photography in 2024. A lot of folks are itching to try their hand at making cool videos, so when you are out there picking your perfect camera, look for one that's got your back on the video front. You want something that can handle at least 1080 pixel video recording. That is the good quality stuff that makes your videos look sharp and crisp. But wait, there's more. Especially for a camera that lets you take the reins with manual control over settings. This way, you are not stuck with just the basics. You can tweak things like exposure and focus to get your videos looking exactly how you want them. When you already find your best camera, here are the 10 strategies to take stunning photos and videos that you need to write down. Number 1. Mastering composition. Let us talk about making your photos pop. Rule of thirds. Break your photo into a grid. Put your subject on an intersection. Boom. More interesting pics. Leading lines. They are like arrows guiding your eyes to the good stuff, adding a cool vibe. Framing. It is like a fancy border, using archways or trees. These tricks are your photo toolkit, so don't be shy. Have fun, experiment, and watch your shots stand out. Number 2. Understanding exposure. Exposure basics are like the control panel for your camera's lighting. Aperture adjusts light. Shutter speed controls blink speed. And ISO handles sensitivity. Get this right, and your pics look great with perfect lighting. Mess up, and it is like dancing in the dark. So embrace the exposure trio for beautifully lit scenes. Number 3. Experimenting with depth of field. Messing with the aperture is your ticket to controlling how much of your pic is sharp. Go for a small F number for dreamy backgrounds in portraits or a big F number for everything in focus. Number 4. Mastering shutter speed. Shutter speed is crucial for capturing motion in photos. Fast speeds freeze action for dynamic shots, while slow speeds create a magical blur effect. When you are out taking pictures, try different shutter speeds to experiment and shape the mood of your photos. It is like being a time wizard, exploring the storytelling wonders of shutter speed. Number 5. Utilizing natural light. Let us talk about natural light, a must-have for photographers. Think of it as your paint palette. How you use it shapes your photo. Watch out for light quality, harsh or soft. Harsh light gives sharp shadows, while soft light is gentle and flattering. Consider where it comes from. Side lighting for drama, front lighting for an even look. Cloudy days, they offer a soft, dreamy glow. Don't miss the golden hours at sunrise or sunset. Nature's gift of warm, golden light. Embrace natural light and watch your photos sparkle with magic. Number 6. Editing for enhancement. After you snap your pics, jump into post-processing. Editing software is your friend. Use it to jazz up colors, tweak exposure, and fix tiny flaws. But keep it real. Don't go overboard with edits. Think of it like adding a pinch of spice to your photos, not drowning them in sauce. Strike that sweet balance and watch your images go from good to great. Number 7. Investing in quality lenses. Lenses matter big time in making your photos great. If you are just starting, the lenses that come with your camera, kit lenses are cool. But for top-notch quality, especially in low light and sharpness, think about upgrading to prime lenses. It is like going from regular to high definition, a game changer for your photos. Number 8. Exploring different genres. Next, try out different photo styles to discover what you love. Whether it is landscapes, portraits, macro, or street photography, each type has its challenges and lets your creative side shine. Number 9. Stabilizing your shots. Get a tripod to steady your camera, especially in low light or when using slow shutter speeds. It keeps your camera stable, ensuring sharp shots and enabling long exposure photography. Number 10. Continuous learning. Photography is always changing. Keep up with the latest techniques, trends, and gear by joining communities, attending workshops, and learning from experienced photographers. Choosing the right camera and mastering the fundamentals of photography are very important steps for beginners looking to capture stunning images, especially this year. By understanding composition, exposure, and post-processing techniques, photographers can elevate their skills and produce visually striking photographs. Remember that the journey of photography is a continuous learning process. To embrace challenges, experiment with different styles, and enjoy the art of capturing moments through your lens. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future content. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.